Welcome everyone. In this short video, I'll introduce you to AI-assisted simulation in Modelon Impact. Modelon Impact is an AI-enhanced, cloud-native system modeling and simulation platform built on open standards that helps engineering teams design and optimize complex physical systems faster. Now, with AI-assisted simulation, you can get started faster, troubleshoot more easily, and move from questions to results with less friction. Let's jump into a few examples. Now I'm sharing my data center workspace in Modelon Impact. On the bottom left, I have my AI assistant, which I can use to get answers quickly, analyze models, and troubleshoot simulations. So let's start with a few examples. First, we'll try to understand how can we connect thermofluid components together in Modelon Impact. Now I get step-by-step instructions on how to connect thermofluid components in Modelon Impact. First, we can open our model in diagram view, then start drawing a connection line from one component's connector port to another component's connector port. And I can follow the instructions further. This is useful for users who are new to Impact. We'll take another example, and this time we'll try to find models for fin and tube heat exchanger. I get some relevant models for fin and tube heat exchanger, which is present in the heat exchanger library. I have some experiment models and some component models. For this example, I want to duplicate my heat exchanger experiment model to my workspace. What I can do is I can right click on the model, click on duplicate to, give it a name, add my package or the path where the model is stored, and click on duplicate. Now I can go to this model and start parameterizing the component and change the boundary conditions and run the simulations. Next, what I want to do is I would like to run this detailed chiller system model. What I see is there's a compilation failure for this model, and I want to know why it is failing. So I can ask my AI assistant why my model is failing. I can also click on this button to enter full screen mode. Now, my AI assistant has access to the logs in the model, and based on the compilation failure log, it has given me some recommendation. So it seems that there is a compilation failure due to mismatched media packages between connected components. Maybe I accidentally used a wrong medium for one of my components in the system model. So what you just saw is how this assistant can save time, reduce manual effort, and help your team focus on higher value work. Thanks for watching. For more details on Modelon Impact, visit www.modelon.com.